What's up guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove this panel and your tail light on the tailgate. So to make this video shorter, I did some work before. This is the tools, 10mm and flathead screwdriver. The first step is to remove those two covers. They're located here. Just gently pull them. It's gonna be 4 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remove those 4 bolts. This is the bolts. So remove them and then start to pull your panel out. Pull it out, not very hard. Now again, using 10mm, you need to remove 4 bolts, those black bolts that hold this Toyota emblem cover, and the bolts is located right here. One second. This is bolt number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Remove those 4 bolts and you're gonna be able to remove this panel. Now just gently pull it, just like that. You see 4 bolts. Pull it out and you can start to pull your 3 nuts out of your light. So nut number 1, nut number 2 and nut number 3. Just like that. Remove your connector and you're ready to pull it out. Simple as piece of cake. That's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.